Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve probability exercise 16.1 question 11. Suppose three bulbs are selected at random from a lot. Each bulb is tested and classified as defective D or non-defective N. Write the sample space of this experiment. As per the question, there are three bulbs. Each bulb may be defective or non-defective, which is D or N. So we write our sample space like this. The first bulb is defective, second bulb is also defective, and third bulb is also defective. So our first element is D. Then our first bulb is defective, second bulb is defective, and third bulb is not defective. So we write DN. Then our first bulb is defective, second bulb is not defective, and third bulb is defective. So our third element is DND. Our first bulb is not defective, second bulb is defective, and third bulb is defective. So our fourth element is NDD. Then our first bulb is defective, second bulb is not defective, third bulb is not defective. So our fifth element is DNN. Then our first bulb is not defective, second bulb is defective, and third bulb is not defective, which is NDN. Then our first bulb is not defective, second bulb is not defective, and third bulb is defective. So our element is NND. Then our first bulb is not defective, second bulb is not defective, and third bulb is also not defective. So this is NNN. So there are 8 elements in our sample space, which comes from every bulb has 2 outcome, defective or non-defective. So this is outcome to the power of number of trials or number of bulbs which are tried. So 2 to the power 3. This is equal to 8. Question 12. A coin is tossed. If the outcome is a head, a die is thrown. If the die shows up an even number, the die is thrown again. What is the sample space for the experiment? Our solution is we toss a coin and we have got 2 outcomes, tail and head. We denote tail by T and head by H while writing the sample space. Now when tail comes, we have not to do anything. But if head comes, then we have to throw a die. And when die is thrown, then there are 6 outcomes. If the outcomes are odd, then we have not to do anything. But if the outcomes are even, then we have to throw the die again. So we write like this. If the outcomes are odd, then those outcomes are 1, 3, and 5. And if the outcomes are even, then those outcomes are 2, 4, and 6. And if the even number comes up, then we have to throw the die again. So if 2 comes, then there will be again 6 outcomes. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 4 comes, then also we have all these 6 outcomes, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And when 6 comes, again we have the 6 outcomes, which are again from 1 to 6. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we can make our sample space like this. When tail comes, then our first element is tail. Then head comes, then our second element is head and 1. Then H and 3. Then H and 5. Then even number comes, then it will be H, 2 and 1, H, 2, 2, H, 2, 3, H, 2, 4, H, 2, 5, H, 2, 6. Then H, 4, 1, H, 4, 2, H, 4, 3, H, 4, 4, H, 4, 5, H, 4, 6. Then H, 6, 1, H, 6, 2, H, 6, 3, H, 6, 4, H, 6, 5, H, 6, 6. Here there are total number of elements are 22. Question 13. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are written separately on 4 slips of paper. The slips are put in a box and mixed thoroughly. A person draws 2 slips from the box, one after the other, without replacement. Describe the sample space for the experiment. So our solution is, when we draw the first slip, so I write first draw, then there are 4 outcomes. When we draw first slip, I write it first draw, then there are 4 outcome. Either the slip with number 1 come, or slip with number 2 come, or slip with number 3 come, or slip with number 4 comes. And if in first draw one slip, the slip with number 1 has come, then in second draw we may get any of these 3, slip number 2, slip number 3 or slip number 4. And when in first draw slip number 2 comes, then in second draw any of these 3 may come, which is slip number 1, slip number 3 or slip number 4. And when in first draw slip number 3 comes, then any one of the slips which are slip number 1, slip number 2 or slip number 4 may come. And in first draw, if slip number 4 has come, then any one from these 3 slips may come, which are slip number 1, slip number 2 or slip number 3. So there are, in the first draw there is 4 outcome, and in second draw there is 3 outcome for each outcome. So the total number of elements will be 4 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12 elements. And these are the 12 elements of our sample space. So what will be our sample space? Our sample space will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So with slip number 1, in second draw slip number 2 or 3 or 4 may come, and if in first draw slip number 2 comes, then in second draw the slip number 1, which is 2, 1, slip number 2, slip number 3, which is 2, 3, slip number 4, which is 2, 4 may come, and in first draw if slip number 3 comes, then in second draw 3, 1 or 3, 2, that is slip number 2 or 3, 4 can come, and if in our first draw slip number 4 comes, then in second draw slip number 1 may come, that is 4, 1, slip number 2 may come, which is 4, 2, or slip number 3 may come, which is 4, 3. So our elements of the sample space are 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. So this is our sample space for the experiment. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.